Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D spiral staircase pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, NumPy is used for numerical operations and array handling, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs. And now we will create figure and 3D axis. So figure is equals to plt.figure creates a new plotting figure, and axfig.add adds a 3D subplot to the figure with one plot with 3D projection. And now we'll define parameters for the staircase. So these are the number of steps in the staircase. And these are the height increase for each step. And this is the radius of spiral path. So this sets how many steps and how much each step rises vertically and how far each step is from the center. And now we will calculate step angles. So this creates num step angles evenly spaced from 0 to 2 pi with 2 full rotations. And now we'll calculate step position x, y and z. So this computes xy coordinates on a circle of a given radius using cosine and sine, and z increases linearly with step number creating height. And now we'll plot steps as point. And this plots each step as brown dot sized 100 and labels them for the legend. And now we'll plot central pole. So this draws a vertical dashed line at the center representing the staircase pole, which goes from 0 to just above the last step. And now we'll set the axis labels. So here ax.set x label, y label and z label labels each axis which indicate direction, and now we'll add legend. So this adds a legend explaining plotted elements, step and pole, and at last we will display the plot. So this displays the plot. So here we can see the plot. So this is a 3D spiral staircase pattern. So thanks for watching this video.